Mr. Sharon, um, you are a very rich, experienced person. You are not like others. You have done in more than 10 to 12 years service in IT itself. So
Yes,
there are bright chances for you to be selected if only you can answer some of the basic questions they ask and you are able to convince them you have a desire to be in the banking sector.
okay.
That's the thing. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Yeah. Good afternoon. My name is Sharon. I'm basically from Kerala. I am a BTech graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Calicut University. I have a 12 years of experience in IT industry. Currently, I'm working as an associate consultant in Tata Consultancy Service Chennai location. Previously, worked at Accenture Bangalore and the Alshaya Bangalore and the UST Global Kochi. About my family, four members of family, me, wife, daughter and mother. Father was expired 2 years back and he was the associate manager in banking Kerala Bank.
Mm.
That's all about myself.
You are married.
Yes, married.
What is your wife doing?
She's Ayurvedic doctor.
Oh, great. Acha, Ayurvedic doctor. Good. So, do you consult her for your problems or you go for outside doctor?
No, no, I consult. Yeah.
That is a routine question. Good. Very nice. Very happy. So, what are the certifications with which you are happy or proud of, which you think may be of use for you in your next job in, say, our bank, Central Bank of India?
Yeah. Central Bank of India, they have required the Palo Alto Certified Network, PCNSE or CCNB security. I have a PCNSE security certified person. I have other certificate like CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate and AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, and Juniper SRS Firewall certification also.
Acha. Now, what
Yeah.
did you learn? Acha. Now, before that, let me come to this. Which bank are you having account?
I have account in the Kotak Mahindra
Acha.
and Federal Bank.
Oh, I know
Okay.
everybody will have Federal Bank account in Kerala.
No, big. Yeah. This account actually taking for the companies for salary accounts.
Acha. Federal Bank account is salary account.
Yeah, yeah. My previous company salary account. Currently, the TCS that is I can't use. I am using the Kotak Mahindra.
Excellent. Good. Now, how do you compare the services in both the organizations, Kotak Mahindra and Federal Bank? You talk only the plus points, never the negative points.
Yeah. Okay. Both I feel very good. Mainly, I am using the mobile apps.
Of
Mobile apps.
both the banks.
Yeah, yeah, both bank I am using the mobile apps. The both are very friendly and very easily to transfer money or other bill payment and transfer other IMBS, other RTG. Most of I am using IMBS and the bill payment and all. That is very easily.
Have you ever faced any problem like you could not access the website and all that?
Noted, noted.
Acha, how do you, don't tell the secrets, huh? How do you, what suggestions do you recommend for people like me or others to remember about the passwords and all? Whether you like it or not, you have accounts in more than one bank or two banks.
Yes.
When that be the case, how do we remember the passwords? Not only that, how do we remember the passwords for our Facebook, Instagram, then WhatsApp, this thing, that thing, and all? How do we go about doing all this? What suggestions do you think you can give?
I am using my work-related words for using password. With the complexity, I'll give it's a complex. If the I is there, I'll give the one for that. Like
Whatever it is. Whatever it
yeah,
is.
like
Okay. Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
daily using the work-related words to
In fact, some people use for A at the rate of
at the rates. Yeah, same way.
something
If
like that.
yeah,
Yeah. Anyhow, that much will do for this. We need not further discuss this. That's okay. Sufficient. I think there is one password manager. Are you aware of that scheme?
I'm not aware of that scheme.
I think online there is one password manager. My son used to tell me that he is using that one. Please check up
Key
about that.
pass, key pass. I
Pass,
think.
password manager.
Okay. In our infra and all using the KeyPass. It's a password manager for the corporate.
Mhm. 1 minute. Google password manager,
Oh,
best password manager, like that, something is there. Please get to know about that also. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Not that you don't know, it is better to know that also. Please
Sure, sure.
tell me you are coming to banking. So, what was the last time you visited your Kotak Mahindra Bank or Federal Bank? Last time, when did you go? Person.
For branch,
Yeah.
I never visit the Kotak Mahindra Bank branches. Okay.
So far,
The
hmm.
Federal Bank, I went for one gold loan.
Acha, you availed gold loan.
Yeah, one,
Acha.
one, one time only I visit the Federal Bank also. Everything I did online. The
Then
account open also. Account.
have you adjusted the gold loan or it is pending?
It's only it's pending one.
Why, Baba? Why are you keeping it pending? Doesn't
It's
matter.
real.
Just for fun. Don't take it seriously. Yeah,
Actually,
I
I
and
never
yeah.
visit the Kotak Mahindra. The Federal Bank account opening also I did from home. The online verification.
24/7.
Yes.
Fed app. Some app is there. I
Yeah,
know
Fed
that.
app. Fed mobile, Fed app.
Mhm. Excellent. Very good. Very good. So now, um, this is about visiting the bank branch. So, what is your impression about working in a bank? What do you think? In what way do you think the work here will be same or different from TCS work?
Uh, in the bank where both are technology based work only. I cannot adjust anyway for that because a long time I worked the different projects and different companies, infrastructure and other things. I can get the banking in industry also same way.
Now, which skills of yours will be useful in networking security?
Networking security, firewall, WSA.
No, no. Which skills will be useful?
Which skill will be useful for banking?
For in networking security in banks.
Okay. The different
No, no,
technologies.
because I am asking because you have told me different skills like say Palo Alto, Jupyter,
Okay,
Cisco,
okay, okay, okay.
FortiGate, Cisco, IBM, Crodor, Splunk, Wireshark, Cisco. So many things you have told.
Yes, yes,
Switching.
yeah,
Please tell
yeah.
me which one will be directly relevant.
In the banking sector, the firewall, the Palo Alto, Fortinet, the firewall, every bank will using as per the RBI rules, they have to use the firewalls. Firewalls. I am working in the Palo Alto, Fortinet, Juniper SRX, and Cisco as a firewall. The multi vendor firewall. The old bank in using the one of these model firewalls should be used
Hmm.
and other
So,
security.
so this Palo Alto is a firewall, not correct.
Yes, yes, yes.
What are the different types of firewalls that are there?
stateful firewall and packet stateful firewall, next generation firewall, stateless firewall or packet filtering firewall.
Mhm. I think I have given this in some my material. Let me check up. There is a better explanation for this.
Okay, I think.
I think you are not remembering it. Mm. In fact, they do ask this question: what is a
Okay.
firewall and what are the different types of firewalls available? Mm. Then why does an active FTP not work with network firewalls? What is the answer for that?
Uh, FTP.
Why does active FTP not work with network firewalls?
That I'm not sure. I need to check.
Then, similarly, regarding firewall, there are questions. What are Juniper firewalls?
Uh,
Now, tell me, in a networking of a bank, is it necessary for us to use more than one firewall, or is it sufficient for us to use only one firewall?
In the branches, required only the one firewall, but the data centers and the other hubs, it will be anyway. The data center will be there for every bank, and the DR location, disaster location also will be there. There we need require the multiple firewalls. It will be in cluster. It should be in cluster.
Mhm. Hmm. Can you talk on your hands-on skill in TCP IP, switching, routing, firewalls, load balancer? They have asked one such question in for a candidate. What are
Okay.
your hands-on skills regarding TCP IP?
Okay. The all communication it's based on the that is the model. TCP/IP is the model, standard model to the communication for networking, transition control protocol for IP. Uh, it it, it it's a four layer transition, the application layer, transport layer, network layer, and the network access layer. uh, Actually, we have a multi-vendor device. We using the infrastructure. That one we need one standardized standard. Then only it will we can use for the multi-vendor devices. That we have two models. One is the OSI model. That is just a referral model. The TCP/IP model is the practical model.
Mhm. Can you explain the difference between IPv4 and IPv6?
Yeah, the IPv4 is.
Which one is more secured for banking operation?
Yeah, the IPv4 is a 32-bit IP address. It will be the maximum number of IP will get the 2 raised 32. The IPv6 is the IPv4 is a decimal number using for the IP. The IPv6 is the 128-bit hexadecimal IPv structure, and we can use the 2 raised 128 IPs for infrastructure. The IPv6 is the more secure than IPv4.
Acha. What what is the reason you want to join our bank?
Mm, That is a that is
Will you
confused.
will you undertake night shifts?
Yes, currently I am supporting one of the American region project
Mm.
that I have to support the night shift, the continuously night shift I'm working.
So
Previous company also.
what is the nature of work you are now doing, say in your TCS? So
uh,
right, say at what time your work starts in the evening, say 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock,
6
and
p.m. to 3 a.m.
at 6 p.m. the work starts. So once you start the work, what is it you'll be doing, and how many people do you manage?
Okay. Currently, the TCS, one
Don't
of
tell,
the
do not tell me the name of
client.
foreign banks. That is not required for me. In
Okay.
the real interview, if they ask, please don't take the stand of not telling the client. One or two candidates are told, no, no, that is secret, I cannot tell. That is not right in an interview, because an interview, it is not recorded. Even if it is recorded, they will not be using it. So there is nothing wrong in your telling the name of the foreign
Client.
client, because your central bank is not going to contact them for getting giving services and all. They are
Yeah.
not going to do any business process outsourcing and all. So please don't do the mistake of telling, sorry, sir, it is secret and all. Now, with me, since it is open, you please tell general ideas without mentioning the names. What is the work, at what time your day's work starts? What is it you do? How you manage your people? How you manage your work schedule? Like that. For example, yesterday, what was the work schedule it was for you?
Okay. Currently, I'm working the TCS, but I am supporting the one of the Japanese MNC, AM region, America region. The work start at 6 p.m. every day to 3 a.m. morning, the IST time. The work related the infrastructure support of the that client. It will include the firewall, switching, routing, wireless, uh, wi- wireless and cloud, private cloud. Every day we have a scheduled meeting for the meetings, and we have the ticketing tool like Helix or ServiceNow. And the other thing we'll get first join log in the time 6 p.m. I verify the which and all meeting is there today, and I'll check the mails, whatever mail is there, any unreplied mail or any urgent mail is there or not. Then we'll go for the ticketing tool. We'll with the whole ticket, which and all ticket is there with the priority base. If any priority based ticket came, it will be we got the alert, the P2 and P3. And the management team, our team, 20 members of team, I am a backup lead for the project, and our team, and next I am verifying the any pending work to the others, and we have a team meeting every day, and we'll discuss that, and I give the instruction to them to complete the work for daily ways. If any doubt from the people, I clarify. Then yeah, that is the process, and the way, if any scheduled activity will be there in the weekends and all, we'll perform that activity with the and
Mm.
downtime. Yeah,
See, sometimes I find in my day-to-day, say, or in internet operations, banks do tell that the internet will be down for about 4 hours or 3 hours, like that. What are they doing during that time? What mistakes are they rectifying it, and what will they be implementing under such tasks? I think you must be doing like that in your case also, for your um, establishing a good network.
yeah.
So what are they doing? 3 hours, 4 hours, they will say your internet will not work, but it may not work for even after that also for some time. But when they stop it openly, what are they doing?
Okay. First of all, the main infrastructure like finance companies and all the multiple ISPs, multiple various type of the redundancy will be there. The very few times to the downtime, because they are providing 99.9 percentage of the stability. In the internet went down, we have to check the parameters like where it's when most of the time the ISPN's issue only that we have to reach out them and we have to get the ETA and we have to share the update to the share the issue with the other stakeholders and we get the alert for that. Mm. The in the multinational companies and the when the financial companies the very rare case to the down the internet.
Mhm. Yeah. So you mean to say when the internet is down, also you people working very seriously for
Yeah.
Acha. Good.
Anyway, we have a multiple redundant path, redundant link will be there.
Mm. What is a load balancer and why is it essential for banking applications?
Yeah, load balancer is a device, device to share the logs to the servers. Actually, in the banking sector, we have a one app, supposed to have one application. The more the user count will be a more to use that application. That time, the single server we can manage for all users. That time we'll host the multiple servers in backend, and we'll give the one gateway for the users. But we using the that gateway, connecting that gateway, but the server will be the different. The now it's connecting to the server one. After for 10 minutes, you will be connecting to the server three. That
Mhm.
that method we are achieving by the load balancer.
Good.
The,
What is an
we
SDWAN and
SD-WAN.
how can it benefit banking networks scalability and security?
Yeah, SD-WAN is the WAN technology. And the normal WAN technology, we have a multiple technologies like MPLS, lease lines, 5G technology, and the D-Links and all. In the
Mhm.
MPLS is a very costly process, and the stability is the 99.9%, but it's a very costly. That case, what we will do the MPLS is it's required for the banking infrastructure. It should be a internal connectivity between the branches and the data centers. But the multiple MPLS we taking, it is a very cost. That time the backup link will give the 5G link or internet link or D link that is managed by the software defined WAN. That is a very
Mm.
easy to it's a graphical management, and it will provide in the high security and the easy to manage that one. And it's a,
Yeah, very good. So, yeah, you have been able to tell me this. Mm, what are some best practices for segmenting networks in large organizations like a bank? What are some best practices for segmenting networks?
uh, segmenting network. If we in banking infrastructure, we have a multiple branch, multiple department will be there, IT, HR, accounting and all. If all we giving the single infrastructure, it will be we need some the critical work for the banking also. In the accounting and all, we have a required fast. That time we'll give the segmentation to the branches base, like the department base, segment that network, and we are providing the priority to the critical work.
Mm,
Otherwise, all will be go the same way and it will be impact our critical work also. This we segment the network and we giving the priority to the which one is the critical. If HR and all we can, it will be a fine for we can wait for mail or the HR things and all. But the accounting, the core banking system and all the critical for the banking.
well, what are the core banking systems you have heard of?
The core banking is a centralized online real-time evaluation enhancement. It's I heard of the Finacle bands and the FlexCube, the three core banking softwares.
Mm. FlexCube
Uh,
is brought by which company?
FlexQA for Oracle.
Oh, acha,
Yeah.
good, very good.
Banks for the TCS and the Finacle for the Infosys.
Mhm. So you are familiar with your TCS banks? No,
No, no, no. That is a software department.
you don't know. So
Yeah.
that's right. Because now, um, what is the software our central bank is using? Did you?
Banks.
Acha, are they using TCS banks?
Yes, yes.
Very good. So good. Now, regarding cloud migration project
Okay.
or data center management services, what is your experience?
Okay. My previous company, I was working with the cloud migration project. One of the MNC in the East, the name is called HP project. That is, they have a legacy data center was there in with managing by DXC, and they initiated the new 2D data center, and we support the network security part of that migration, and we actually completed that project in the UST project.
Mhm.
My previous company UST was part of that project migration.
You have studied a certified solution architect associate. What did you study there? In what way will it be of relevance for us in network security?
Mm, That is the currently what happened. Everyone is not using the legacy data centers. Everyone is moving to the cloud. We have a multiple cloud providers like AWS, GCP, and Azure. I certified with the AWS. That is the cloud, the basic certification of the AWS, and it's given the we can learn about that. What is the cloud? What is the type of cloud? What is the architecture of cloud? How the scalability and reliability managing by them, how they have a multiple data center where it's located. It's a
Mhm.
cloud architecture. We have a regions. Every region it will be a more availability zones. Means the multiple availability zone in the same region, and it will be the same. It will give the redundancy. DR disaster anything happen, we will get the data from the other regions.
See, AWS, is it the full form of AWS? Is it the full form or any other
Yeah,
expansions?
is the Amazon Web Service.
Oh, that one. Does it mean that every web service will be having some certification like this Google certification
Yeah,
and
Google GCP is a Google certified professional. Google Cloud certified professional.
and
GCP.
what are the other similar certifications available now?
Azure is there. Microsoft Azure.
Okay,
Oracle
then
is there. Now the
okay.
Alibaba, more cloud vendors is there. IBM also start cloud.
Oh, very good. Excellent. I wasn't aware about it, and you told very nicely. Can you explain what is SIEM?
Yeah, SIM is the monitoring tool in the future, in the next generation monitoring tool for the network. If it will manage monitoring the network, it will alert the net. Actually, it's like a monitoring the network device. Okay, if any vulnerability is there, if we need to check some logs from the firewalls, we can directly log in the SIEM tool and we can check it. It's a multiple SIEM tool is there now. IBM QRadar, Splunk.
Hmm. Now, with advanced technologies coming, the frauds are also increasing more, and scams are also increasing multifold. Hope you are aware of that.
Yes, mainly they are looking on the banking struggles.
Yeah. Have you gone through a booklet known as Raju and 40 Thieves?
No.
No. There only they are telling about 1 minute. I will try to give you. There, it is a book published by our Reserve Bank of India,
Okay.
detailing about um, detailing about the frauds committed, that is
Oh,
phishing, wishing, and all that.
okay.
Raj, I do not, this is very simple thing for you, but then maybe it can help you to know about this.
Okay. Oh, it is official of RBI.
I think if I give you this, a perusal of, have I not given you this? No.
No, no.
A perusal of this will tell you about various things, but let me honestly tell you, this booklet must have been brought about 2 years back. And
Oh,
after that, these guys have done much more new innovations in the frauds.
okay.
You must be knowing about it. A lot of changes are happening. Previously, they were doing like this. But nowadays, what they do, they just send a link to you in your WhatsApp.
SMS.
Your account is hacked. They send it through SMS, your account is hacked. They send it through your what is that? Email, your account is hacked. Oh, Baba. Soon they will find out a method. They one need not click the link also. Even then, it will be hacked. Has any such thing come? Has any such thing been done in the in internet world? Are you aware of that? Can you know the details about this? All of you know. For example, in Myanmar, Cambodia, I don't know, maybe China, maybe in our Jharkhand, there is a place. What is that place called? I forgot. Jamatara. Like
Okay.
that, those places, and not only that, even in, I am told, there are such similar shops in Noida, Gurgaon, and all that. Have you heard about them or not?
Not.
You have not heard.
No, actually, the fraud call, I heard about the fraud call. They will call your ATM is blocked. Please, I will send one PIN code, OTP, please share to us.
From that stage, now things have gone much higher level. Now, people are taken from Cambodia. They are asked to pay some 3 lakhs rupees. They are being sold to some companies. That company takes them. They want you to go online with some girl name and then impress the people to make investment in the company and all. Similar strategies you must be aware of. So please get to know this. I will give you this link.
Okay.
I will give you this link. 1 minute. Share. Just a minute. So I don't know how far it will be really helpful for you, but perusal of this will enable you to be in touch with what we bankers are familiar with. Okay. So please go through this also. Otherwise, you are answering majority of my questions very well. No problem about that. Yeah. Now let me go for some more questions. You want some more questions? Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
If you are ready, I am asking because I am happy in talking to guys who can answer me well. So that way, I'll be happy to ask you more questions. Are you familiar with proxy servers? What is proxy server?
Yeah, proxy server is the web level application that we can block the web level. In the firewall and all, we are blocking the blocking or allowing with the port and the IP. This we can block via a proxy. The URL. I think the more about I'm not sure. I'll get it for tomorrow.
What is an intrusion detection system?
Is IDS, it's an intrusion detection system. It will detect the intrusion and intrusion from the network and the alert it.
Hmm. What type of authentications can be used for network access?
The authentication
I
we
think
have
two-way authentication, something like that. No?
tech MFA is there, multi-factor authentication, and
Mm,
the TechX is there, and the radius server also there.
mm. Two-factor authentication and other methods.
Yeah.
Whatever you know about it, you can tell about it.
I don't know much about that.
थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए. So please
Yes.
prepare.
Yeah.
What monitoring approaches and tools do you prefer using?
The network.
Yeah. Here the answer given is I enjoy network monitoring and infrastructure management and have used many different tools and help manage both of these and more. I have used I,
SolarWinds.
IDERA for most network administration tasks, but Lab Tech is my favorite because of the dashboard customization features. I don't know
Yeah.
what answer you will give based on your experience. This one,
Okay.
I am showing you what is it I am talking.
Okay. We have a multiple monitoring tool now currently available in the market. One is a SolarWinds HPNNI.
Hmm. So this
Uh,
is this is the last question in that 50 pages material I have given.
I think 50 pages. I think not shared.
I have not shared this.
No, no.
No, this one I made it afresh and posted you. Na? I have given it to you, stating that this is a new material I have coined.
Let me check, sir.
Banking awareness theory questions, then IT officer interview questions revised. I have sent you on Wednesday.
Okay. Revised 2025.
Hmm. What I did, I went through different, I had lot of files in the same name. That is one problem with saving of files. So I went through each and everything and tried to eliminate other files and made it one now. This contains about 50 questions in this. And
Yes, correct, sir.
apart from this, what I have given you is your networking practices. This one,
Yeah.
I just collected it. Of course, answers I have not given. Na? Oh,
Okay.
uh,
Yeah,
I
I'll
have
refer
not
the
given
question.
I have not given answers. I will try to get them from internet and give them to you also. Not that
Okay.
you can't make it. You can yourself get it by going to Chat GPT. You
Sure, sure.
understand?
Yeah, I'll get it that. I'll get the questions.
You can get that. Now,
Yeah.
at random, because you are willing to answer me, what is a public key infrastructure and how would you implement it in a banking environment?
Okay. Actually, we have a two key. Is public key and private key. The more about public key, I don't have. I learned that. In tomorrow's in same time, I'll get it more.
Mhm. How do you mitigate distributed denial of service attacks in a banking network?
Okay. This and all I did not see, sir. Actually, this is that 50-page question paper, correct?
No, not this with 10 pages question.
Okay.
This one, real-time intrusion detection, two-factor authentication for internal access, advanced encryption standards,
Okay.
redundancy and business continuity planning, collaboration with cert.in, like this.
Okay. I
Can you
think I
add 40 more questions on tougher side? I am asking Chat GPT. It is giving me these questions. All these things, did you go through or not?
no, no, I did not go through. I'll go through today and tomorrow. I'll connect tomorrow. I think same time.
Yeah, these are the things given. Tomorrow, 9:30. I have given you
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
Okay.
9:30. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So please go through this. How did you miss this, Baba? I have given you this now. This.
Okay, okay. I think I missed that one.
Please check up whether it is there with you in your this thing.
Yeah, yeah.
I must.
I'll check.
I must have given it. IT officers interview question. Then this is a special one I downloaded for you only. This
Okay,
one, as I have not given to anybody else earlier, the first person with whom I shared is
okay,
yourself. Networking, I have given Baba.
okay, okay.
Network, net, Networking interview questions, IT related docs.
Okay, 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 sir. I'll go through that and I'll will connect tomorrow for remaining.
Maybe that is very childish for you, but a perusal of that will make you master the problems of questions you may be facing in the interview.
Okay,
And of course, in real interview, it is going to be very simple. They will find out whether you have interpersonal relations, leadership skills, problem solving skills, about your achievements. Tomorrow, I will ask about the achievements made by you, some of the successes you had as a student or as an employee. These things I will ask from you tomorrow.
okay.
Thank you. You did a
Thank you, sir.
very good job. It's a
Thank you,
very
sir.
nice.
Thanks.
You did really nice, excellent interview. I have no powers to decide about selection.
Okay.
In the routine course, you will be selected. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Bye
Best
bye.
wishes.